Top 10 endangered species will survive you. Top 11 endangered species will survive you. Everyone is guarding the panda, but they do not know that there are many other animals in the world that are endangered and we do not know yet. Most of these animals look like hideous creatures appearing in nightmares or in horror films in the 80s. However, ugly looks do not mean that we should let these animals go extinct. They are also animals and deserve to be loved. In this article, we will explore the top 11 species of endangered species with Category 1. Northern bald eagle birds that look like a mysterious widow with this black coat are now severely threatened. From 1900 to 2002, northern bald eagles were nearly extinct, with the number of species declining to about 2. The cause of this decline is that they are poisoned, shocked and hunted by humans. Mexico although looks a bit like a sea monster, but the truth is very Mexican. This species is capable of regenerating leg parts, lost hands and even non-important cells in the brain. Despite such miraculous recovery, they are in critical condition. Part of the reason for this decline is due to marine pollution. Monkey The monkey is actually a lemur but has the ability to sense the motion of a sound like a bat. The middle finger is long and tapering in each hand and the teeth never stop growing, making the appearance of the monkey look scary. The reason you have not had the chance to see this particular creature is because the number of ii species has dropped dramatically since the Madagascar forest was devastated. Frog Titicaca. This frog is also called Titicaca by its wrinkled skin, mucus. However, this body type is what helps frogs absorb more oxygen in the water because they live quite deep in the bottom of ponds and lakes. The reason for the decline in this species is attributed to environmental pollution and to frogs eating meat as a medicine to boost their vitality. Purple frog. Frogs nose. Purple frogs live underground in India. On monsoon days, they will spring up to spawn in puddles. Sadly, the land where this species lives has been devastated for growing coffee trees that have no place to grow and gradually decline in the number of species. White seagulls. At first glance, the shape of this bird is not ugly but their character is ugly. White-bellied seagulls feed on a very special way, and they chase the birds just to feed them and then catch them to donate the items they just turned for them to eat. Monkey hoes. Let's join hands to protect this interesting animal because their habitat is being destroyed. Monkey tent, also known as the long-nosed monkey, with its name derived from its own body characteristics. While looking very disproportionate to the body, the oversized nose is what helps this species attract the attention of the partner. Monkey fern is also the only primate to have a habit of ruminating. Myrtle Pacific rock myxin. Torpedo stone myxin Pacific is one of the oldest vertebrates in the world. This species produces large amounts of mucus and can be eaten by absorbing through its skin. Their food is the dead body of rotting fish on the seafloor. This fish is currently hunted for a lot of skin. Fish tear. In general, the shape of the fish drops look pretty ugly with fat body with big mouth always down. It lives in the depths of 600 to 1,200 meters. Because the water pressure in the place where they live is 120 times higher than sea level, their way of life is different than that of other fish. Teardrop fish are caught when caught in fishing nets. This fish does not have bones or muscles to prevent them being crushed when living under very low water pressure. Chinese sturgeon. Despite its small body size, this hot guy is guarded by the Chinese government strictly and is considered a national newspaper. Although preserved, due to many causes such as pollution, overfishing, and stuck to the propeller of the boats, the number of species is still seriously threatened. Read more. 25 extinct animals have the weirdest appearance. 11. Deer pigs. Indigenous people in Sulawesi, Indonesia, one of the places where deer live, have even masked the devil to represent the face of this ugly pig. Although the appearance is so, but the deer pigs are hunted by people because their meat is quite delicious.